welcome back to Cpanel Mastery. So how do you do redirect of domain? So how do you redirect domain in Cpanel? How do you do that? All right. So a lot of people actually want to redirect their domain. Like one time, I actually did this website. The client actually had a deal with me to build a website, and when I'm done, he will make the payment for the website. That was when I started out. I was not wise, so I built the website, and he checked it, and he started using it. He refused to pay me, so I had to go redirect to the website to a government officiating website and told him that he will be arrested or something. I don't know. Well, that was then though. But right now, before I perform a project, you have to make commitment by paying certain amount. But how do you actually redirect a domain? So to redirect a domain, you come to your cPanel. Now you look for redirect. Now redirect is an option that is found close to the domain as is. So you click on redirect. Now once you click on redirect, to bring you here. Now, there are two types of redirect: temporary redirect and permanent redirect. So, temporary redirect is actually a redirect option that actually uh, that is temporary. Now, you don't use it for long. It's not like permanent. It's not something that once you put is going to be there for life. No, it's part time and you can always remove it. Now, permanent on the other way around, it's just going to be there as long as your cPanel is alive. It's just going to keep doing that domain, guys. It's just going to keep redirecting. Now, for me, I don't feel there's any big change. Well, there's any big difference among both of them, though. I don't feel there's any big deal among both of them. But most people think both of them are different because at the end of the day, if you still lose your domain or if your domain gets expired, your redirect will stop working, right? Because someone else will purchase that domain and the person doesn't care about your redirect. Is going to have his own cPanel and everything. Do you understand? All right. So let's do a temporary redirect. Now let's pick one of the domain on my website. And okay, let me pick this. Let's move on. Let's redirect it to Fujes. Let's do it to Fujes. fujest.cc. Right. So redirect with or without www dot. Yes, it's better. So now what you do next is click on add. Okay, it said this must begin with a HTTPS. That is a secure server protocol. So let's copy this. All right, click on add. Now once you click on add, you go back. You see it has actually been redirected. It actually be redirected. So let me delete this upper one. To remove redirect. All right. So if you come here now, you see this one has been redirected to this. Right. The temporary redirect, and it's used both www dot and or not. Now let's do this. Let's open this in a new tab. We just open the website right now, smsmore.com. Let's see what's going to happen. As you can see, it has been sent to fujes.cc. All right, so that is how you actually redirect a website to go to another website. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, send it to someone that needs the video, and I will see you on my next tutorial. So bye for now, guys.